Hey guys, I am back now. Listen up, guys. So we are in Kalimpong right now. We are staying at the Airbnb right now. That's the front gate. This is the front lawn. This is the entrance over here. This is the terrace. There's a little snail, little turbo. Yeah. So as you guys can see, snails. There are insects. Inside the house, outside the house as well. So, which, to be very honest, I don't like insects. Well, some of them. Like, we're in the middle of the forest, so as you guys can see, we cannot help ourselves. We are here to relax, and we are doing it. So, oh yeah, by the way, there are spiders here, which I'm not a very big fan of because they freak the hell out of me. And everything else, except that it's not raining, but it's foggy, looks creepy. This house looks like a horror house or haunted house. There's nothing more to do in Kalimpong, to be very honest. This Kalimpong trip in a vlog might just end in like another 1 or 2 days, but we are still going to stay here for more 6 days, 6 to 5 days. I think it is not that cold here, which is I don't have any problems with it. It's like 20 degrees Celsius is the highest and like 18 degrees the lowest. It's a very neutral weather, which I pretty much enjoy. Yeah, another thing, the trip from Darjeeling to Kalimpong was so good. We went from one hill to another hill. Darjeeling is in one hill and Kalimpong is in another hill. So it was awesome. We came down a hill and then we went up a hill. So yeah, for now I think I'll meet you guys later. So I'm gonna give you guys the house tour right now, so get ready because it's gonna be the house is pretty big, so yeah. Alright, so that is the front gate. We came through that, we went here to there, from there, and that's the house right there. It has a first floor, it has the balcony. Yeah, we're totally like in the middle of the forest. Yeah, totally in the middle of the forest. So, I mean, there are neighbors around here. Like, there are neighbors there. There are neighbors behind the house also. So yeah, let's get inside the house. This is the house of Airbnb Teesta River. Pretty big house. We have a shed above our head, and yeah, let's get in. So this is the house. This is the kitchen over here. It's a small kitchen actually, not a big kitchen. This is the dining table. Actually, we have a lot of dining tables. We have one dining table here, one dining table there, but we have that area is all like filled with snacks and other stuffs like food and groceries. This is the main living room, and 0.5 living room is upstairs. Yeah, you're gonna know why I just said that. So yeah, so this is the living room. It's messy because we lived here for 2 days already. After that, I'm giving you guys the house tour. So yeah, that is the first bedroom over there. This is a storeroom. This is the bathroom. Sup guys? This is the bathroom. This is the washing machine, laundry, room. This is the storeroom. It's very dark. I don't know why. Okay, I'm just gonna close it because it's very dark and scary. This house actually kind of gives me, you know, a little scary vibes. Let's head down upstairs. And this is the 0.5 living room that I was talking about right here. So the reason why I said this is the 0.5 living room, because we sit here at night watching TV. Yeah, this is a 65-inch TV. This is our bedroom. This is the second bedroom actually. This is the workstation of mine. Lamps. These are all DIY, by the way. The lamps were supposed to be there, but it's here right now because we charge stuff over there. So yeah, light, windows. You see, that's the other house right there. So this is the door actually. This is a sliding door. Like you pull it. It's awesome. Alright, that was the second room. This is the bathroom. Not a whole lot. Pretty cool, right? Yeah, I know. Alright, so yeah, this was the house tour. So yeah, I guess I'll meet you guys later then. Peace. What's up, guys? It is now currently 6:30 at night, and it is the time to end the vlog here because today was the last day that we went out. We went out to eat at Mayfair Hotel. The food was so delicious and it was very nice. It's actually raining right now. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's actually raining. So to be honest, this whole trip was for me, it was needed because I'm going to have a very stressful year ahead. So I just wanted these days to be awesome as possible, and it has been. I really needed this whole trip. So yeah, it was amazing. The experience was great. This Airbnb house is actually growing on me right now. I really like the house itself. Well, except all the insects and all. But yeah, sure. The house itself is amazing. Kalimpong itself is good, great place, but it's not a great place for 7 days. I have to say, it's a great place for like 4, 5, maximum 5 days actually, like 4 nights, 5 days, like that. But Darjeeling, it's recommended. For me, it has been one of the, like, Darjeeling is one of my favorite places to go in West Bengal. So yeah. Alright guys, so it is time to end the vlog here. It was nice. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. So yeah, bye guys.